Hi everyone, today we're going to be discussing how to obtain an ETrader license in Dubai, UAE. ETrader license is for people who reside in UAE and for individuals that are looking to offer their product or services online. And without further ado, let's get into the details. So the benefits of ETrader license that it can be 100% owned by yourself. The business structure is its sole establishment structure, meaning that you are the only owner and you cannot have any partners. And it's different from an LLC or a limited liability company. You do not require any local sponsors. You do not need to have a physical office space or an office space. And you can obtain 2 to 3 employment visas. I put a star right beside that because I've been doing research, and some places say you can obtain employment visas and some say do not. If one of you in the audience has experience with this type of license and has obtained it, please let us know in the comment section below if you think otherwise. And the restrictions of an e-trader license are that the license does not allow you to set up a physical shop and start offering your services and goods to customers. So this is solely online, completely e-commerce type of business. You cannot have a customer visiting you, and you cannot have a physical shop. The owner must be in UAE or at least have a UAE visa and Emirates ID. And you can sell your products and services within Dubai. If you wish to sell in other Emirates, you're required to obtain another license. So each Emirates in Dubai have their own sort of e-commerce license. In Abu Dhabi, it's called the Tajer license. And if you reside there, you need to apply for that. And if you reside in another Emirates like Sharjah, there's again something else. I'm going to get into more details at the end of this video regarding the different licenses available in different Emirates. However, do not confuse this point with selling your products. For example, I know if you're selling on Amazon or Noon, you will definitely get orders from other Emirates. You do not have to worry about that. This is mostly because they want to make sure you live in that Emirates. And if, for example, if you're in Abu Dhabi, you cannot obtain ETrader, you need to obtain the Tajer license. And if you're in Sharjah, you need to obtain a different license and you cannot obtain this sort of license. And last but not least, you cannot apply for a residence visa with this license. Requirements for ETrader license, it's that you must be based in Dubai, UAE. I know there's a typo in my bullet point. You must be 21 years old or older. You need to reserve a name, trade name for your business. You need to pay the required fee within 24 hours of your license, and you need to make sure to renew your license within a month of its expiration date, because if you do not, then your license will automatically be canceled. And you can complete the registration process with Dubai with the Department of Economic Development, DED. And the documents that are required for an e-trader license is your passport, UAE visa, and Emirates ID, the trade name reservation certificate, Dubai-based Ijari, which is a tenancy contract, email ID, and phone number. And the cost of e-trader license are depending on which route you take. There's a professional e-trader license and a commercial e-trader license. Professional e-trader license is for activities such as like IT consultants and management consultancy, and the cost is 1,070 dirhams. And if you're looking to sell products and goods on different e-commerce, like your own website, on Amazon, on Noon, on different online sales channels that you might have, Facebook, whatever it might be, you need the commercial license, and the cost is 1,370 dirhams. So the steps you need to take is, first you need to ensure, you need to find out where you want to set up your business. There is a free zone and mainland. Mainland is like the Emirates, and there's a free zone, which is Dubai Commerce City. It offers some benefits like it's 100% foreign owned and no income or business tax associated with it. So once you figure that out, then your next step is to reserve a business name and then apply for ETrader license. Then you obtain the license and finally you open a bank account. There are resources available on the UAE government's website. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description, and you can find out more about the free zone option. It's Dubai Commerce City. It's a free zone dedicated for the growth of e-commerce in the Middle East. You can go check it out. I do not have any experience with it, and it might be too late in the video. I should also let you know that I'm not a lawyer or any sort of I'm just an individual that is providing you with directions. So I want you to be aware of that. And then here's the e-commerce license, the Tajer app for Abu Dhabi. So you can click on the links here and follow the steps in order, if you reside in Abu Dhabi, to obtain that license. And this is for people who reside in Dubai. Again, this is ETMOD license for people in Sharjah, and virtual VML is for people who are in Ras Al Khaimah. Again, so for people who want to obtain ETrader licenses, you need to click this link. It's going to take you to the DED website, and first thing you want to do is register. And you want to hit start my business. And then you can select, I want to open a business. I need to reserve a trade name for now. So this is the first step you need to take. And I hope how far I'm gonna get. I actually have a trade license myself. I do not have an ETrade license. I hope this helps you guys start at least on obtaining your ETrade license and start your journey on selling online. Please go ahead and subscribe to us if you want more content and videos like this. And thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.